Here is a brief video on how to do logic branching within Google Forms. So what we're going to do is you're first going to want to map out your Google form and how you want participants to go through that path. So in this case, I've created each of the different areas that we're going to be able to travel to. And for each one of these, you're going to want to go here on the right and select this option to add a new section for each one. So if you notice, there's one here. There's also going to be a section here in the next section. And so that's how you're going to map this out. Now, once you've done that, you're going to want to put a multiple choice question here before the next section. Once you have that multiple choice option, you're going to click on the question itself so you can get to the rest of the menu. And down here in the bottom right, you're going to select these three dots and select go to a section based on an answer. Now, if you don't have this checked, it's going to be blank. And then when you select this and say go to a section based on the answer, it's going to create a pop out here onto the right. And you're going to want to select which one of those sections you want this to go to. So it's going to create one automatically for each section. Once you got all of this filled out, there's one other step you need to do to make sure this functions correctly. And at the bottom of each section here, you're going to want to change where this form goes once you go to the next section. If you don't, then there's a possibility that it's going to submit the form and you won't be able to get back to that first area. So we're going to want to make sure we go to specific sections. So in the end, this form never ends up getting submitted. You can just keep going through different paths over and over again to get different situations.